Now, if you have been telling your family and friends about your YouTube channel, you've been sharing your links to them, you've been telling them to subscribe to your channel, and then also you've been telling people that you know about your YouTube channel, you probably are hating your YouTube channel and that of your YouTube views. Let me break it down. You see, I'm going to take you through 3 major reasons you should not be telling anyone. Do not tell anybody. Let me repeat, don't tell anybody about your YouTube channel. And hey, the first reason is that, you see, for YouTube to be pushing your videos, YouTube wants people to be watching your videos always and to be watching from start to the end fully, and also be engaging on your videos. You understand? And now, when you tell your family members, when you tell people around you to subscribe to your channel, to be watching your videos, fine. Some people, out of sympathy and out of helping you, they'll go and subscribe to your channel, and that should have been the best. But hey, here lies the danger. Now, these people will subscribe to your channel because, hey, you've told them to do that. For example, you've just started a YouTube channel, you tell people around you, you tell your friends, you tell your family, they go to YouTube, they subscribe to your channel, and now the most important thing over here is for them to be engaging and watching your videos. But you know what? Whenever you publish a video, YouTube is actually gonna share your video to those people. It's going to share your video to those people who have actually subscribed to your channel. That is what we call subscriber distribution of videos, because automatically, as soon as you publish a video, YouTube will be sending all the notifications to those who have subscribed to your channel. And you know what? Since these people did not willingly subscribe to your channel, these people will actually get notifications on their phones. But the tragedy here is that they are not going to watch your video. They would not watch. They will not even click on your thumbnail to watch the video. And you see, when it happens like that, it's going to throw a negative signal to the YouTube algorithm that those who have even subscribed to your channel are not having interest in your content. They are not having interest in your videos, therefore portraying to them, that's the YouTube algorithm, that your contents are no more of interest to the people who have subscribed to your channel. And hey, one dangerous thing is that if your subscribers are not engaging on your videos, the YouTube algorithm is not going to recommend your videos, and your videos are going to be static, therefore affecting your views. And that could be the reason you are not getting views. That could be the reason your videos are not getting traction, your videos are not getting recommendations and all of that. A lot of people have been complaining that I am not getting views, I am not getting traction, I'm not getting recommendations from YouTube and all that. And this is one of the reasons you are not getting the views that you're supposed to get. And so telling people about your YouTube channel is one of the dangerous things to do, and that is the reason this particular video is being made, to help you to stay away from that. That is the first one. They are not going to watch, and they're going to throw a negative signal to the YouTube algorithm, therefore making your video irrelevant, and then also causing your channel irrelevant. And it's going to be painful to actually be putting up all your best in your channel, and then as a result of telling other people to subscribe to your channel, YouTube is not going to recommend, and your channel is going to be left idle, it's going to be left isolated by the YouTube algorithm. So do not do that. Do not repeat that particular mistake again. The second reason your YouTube channel should not be known by anybody, that is the second reason you should not tell people about your YouTube channel, is that these people, these family and friends, some of them are going to discourage you. You know, people actually going for numbers. And so let's assume you've just started a YouTube channel. You have, let's say, 10 subscribers, you have 20 subscribers, you have 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers, and then you tell people around you that they should go subscribe to your channel. Your family, your friends, people that you know, or people who know you, when they get to your channel, they see that you have 100 subscribers, you have, let's say, 150 subscribers or below that, and they're going to be like, oh, so what kind of thing is this? They're going to compare your channel to other people. Therefore, they're going to discourage you. Some of them will deliberately put some sort of discouraging comment and replies under your videos. And so if care is not taken, they are going to dim your light. They are going to dim your future. They're going to actually directly or indirectly prevent you from proceeding. And that is the reason that you should not tell anybody about a YouTube channel. Be successful first. I remember I once watched a video, and the YouTuber was like, even the relative, the close relative, are not even aware of the YouTube channel. And that is it. For all you know, your relatives are not even interested in what you're doing, but you just told them, and then they will just go there and be like, what kind of thing are you doing over here? What is this? Some of your friends are going to laugh at you, especially when you started fresh. But hey, when you become big on your YouTube, when your channel become big and they get there, no matter what your videos is all about, they're actually going to like that and they're going to love that. So that is it. When you started, do well to stay away from propagating your channel. Do well to stay away from telling people about your channel, talking to people to subscribe to your channel and all of that, because it's going to affect you and it's going to hurt your channel. It's going to affect the views that it's supposed to get, because you see, YouTube is something that you need to be going on each and every time, each and every day. And so if it happens that you're going to be discouraged, you're going to get some sort of discouraged, and these discouragements are coming from your family, are coming from people that you know. Hey, I tell you, it's actually going to break you down. It's actually going to send you down. It's actually going to bring your spirit down. But hey, YouTube isn't a platform where you should actually be making videos with low spirit. No, you should be making videos with high spirit. And so if your spirit are brought down by the people around you, then it should tell you that that particular practice isn't something that you should venture in it. And that is the reason I am making this video, to throw a signal to you. Maybe you've just started a YouTube channel and you're new on the platform. Please, it's okay. Do not be sharing your links. Do not be telling people. Do not be telling anybody. Let the YouTube algorithm does all the work for you. And in so doing, it's actually going to project your channel. It's actually going to help you than talking to people to subscribe to your channel, than revealing your channel to a lot of people. Yes, sometimes you see people, when you ask them that you have a YouTube channel, they'll be telling you that, oh, I have it, but I don't want to disclose that. Yes, sometimes it's good, because when people who are not interested in your niche subscribe to your channel, it's actually going to cause damage onto your channel. This is one of the golden nuggets that you can get on YouTube, and it's actually going to help you a lot. A lot of people have done this particular mistake. They've made these tough mistakes. They've told their family members, they've told their friends, they've told people around them. Maybe for all you know, the people around you or your friends and family are so interested in relationship tips. They are so interested in motivational tips and motivational videos, but you are into, let's say, football videos, you are into kids videos, you are into game, you are into vlogs, you are into adventures or different thing altogether. You tell them. Now, out of sympathy, as I've already said, some of them will go subscribe to that, but they may not be watching your videos, and that's going to cost you a lot. And there are some of them too, as said earlier, who are also going to discourage you. You're saying a whole lot of negative things, and that is actually going to bring you down, therefore causing the damage of your channel. The third reason you must not tell people about your YouTube channel is that, you see, as said from the introduction, YouTube actually begins to recommend your video to a larger audience when people begin to watch your video from start to the end. And so as people keep watching, as people keep actually giving out comments under your videos, it throws a positive signal to the YouTube algorithm that, hey, this video is doing well, and so let's push this particular video. You understand? That is the reason this particular video on your screen on this my channel is getting a lot of traction almost every day, getting a lot of views and all of that, because people are watching daily, people are commenting daily. But you see, one dangerous thing is that when you tell people about your YouTube channel, they will subscribe. But here lies the problem. Even those who are going to watch will not watch fully. They are not going to watch from start to the end. They're going to watch halfway, therefore throwing a negative signal to the YouTube algorithm that, hey, people are no more having interest in this particular video. And so that is the reason they watch, but they don't fully watch the video. And so if it begins like that and it persists, it continues to happen this particular way, it's actually going to cost your channel, it's actually going to affect your channel, therefore bringing down your YouTube channel. You need people who should be able, or who would be able, to watch your video fully from start till the end, and that is actually going to help your channel so well. And that is the reason I am telling you today that if you've been telling people about the YouTube channel, please do not do that. And now, bringing this particular video to an end, this is what I have for you, and this is the solution to all these problems, and that is what I think is going to help you. If you have been telling people about your YouTube channel, this is what I have for you, and this is what is going to help you. It's very important. Listen and watch so attentively. But hey, let's pause here. Are you finding difficulties in how to actually get more content ideas, on how to optimize your videos to get more views, more traffic, and that of more subscribers? I have been able to discover this AI tool, and that is what I'm going to reveal and unveil to you in this particular video. In fact, it's actually helping me a lot, and not only me, it's also been helping a lot of content creators, and that is Creative Fuel. Oh yes, this Creative Fuel is having an application, and that of a web version, and it's helping a lot of content creators. It's going to help you get titles for your videos. It's actually going to help you to get more content ideas. It's also going to help you generate that of your description for you, the hashtags, the keywords that you're supposed to use in your videos to get more views. In fact, Creative Fuel, it's a game changer. And so I've placed the link in my description right now. Check it out, follow the link, get yourself registered. They have free plans and that of paid plans. You can be on any of these, and hey, trust me, you're actually gonna enjoy over here on YouTube with Creative Fuel. You see, the solution to this particular problem is that do well to allow the YouTube algorithm to actually be doing all the work and the magic for you. Oh yes, that's the best thing to do, and that's the best thing to ever happen to your YouTube channel. Allow the YouTube algorithm to be able to optimize your videos so well, so high, and allow the YouTube algorithm to be able to recommend your video to a lot of people. Do not be telling people about your YouTube channel. If you've done that, as I said earlier, do not repeat that. Do not continue to do that, please. And if you're a starter, if you've just started a YouTube channel, please let it be secret. Keep your YouTube channel secret. Don't be telling your family members. For all you know, you may think that, oh, I have family members, I have people around me, I have close relatives, I have friends and all that, and so let me tell them so that they come support me over here. Yes, you may be having that in mind, but the algorithm wouldn't understand it in that way as a result of the practices and that of their actions on that your YouTube channel. And so that is it. And I'm sure this particular video will go a long way to actually support and assist your place. If you found value in this video, do take some few seconds, share this particular video to people to also get valuable thing from here. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Actually, I give out powerful tips like this to also grow a YouTube channel over here as a starter, as a small YouTuber, as a growing YouTuber. Thank you very much. Till we meet next time in the next video. All that I've got for you is that God bless you. But hey, don't forget to check out this particular video. This video is going to help you get a lot of views over here on YouTube. It's going to help you, it's going to show you what to do exactly for YouTube to push your videos to the larger audience, therefore getting a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, and that of watch hours.